We were out here getting some camping done, and we're using these CEYOMUR trail cams to have even more fun on our trip. So I'm a big fan of these because they have the solar panels built in on top. If we opened them up, we could see that they also do take standard batteries. We could put some batteries in here if it wasn't going to be light out or something. But we can attach these to a tree. They've got motion sensors, they've got infrared illuminators, and then an IR camera. So they're going to see with the motion detectors when to turn on, and during the day they're nice full color. At night it's a real crisp black and white image. The solar panel runs it. If we go underneath here, there's a SD card in each one. We can also charge them or pull from there. What's nice is there's a standby mode, which allows us to watch the videos and see what we've got. This one is locked out with the password, so you don't have to worry about anybody going in and messing with your cameras. We've got two of them. We put one up over here on a game trail, one up over that way at another game trail. Now we'll go back to the computers and put those SD cards in and see what critters were walking around while we were camping. Hope this helps.